Hello, my name is Donna Price. For this presentation, I am going to discuss the Foodzy app. This class is MHA 601 Principles of Healthcare Administration. My professor's name is Martha Plant. Today's date is October 29th, 2018. My next slide is going to be my introduction. In this presentation, I will be discussing the Food app and its operation. Also, I will talk about threats to existing healthcare organizations and partnerships with existing healthcare organizations. Next slide is about products or service. Foodzy app is a food tracker to start a food and health journal to improve your lifestyle. It will help with your eating habits and to keep you motivated. The app has many incentives such as food points and earn badges. The app allows you to connect with your social media friends so that you can all get fit together. You can create recipes and share them with other people. With the apps for iPhone and Android and the website www.foodzy.com, you are able to keep track of everything you eat and drink. We turn this into a live activity stream and real-time dashboards to show you how your day looked and where you could do better. The app encourages healthy eating habits for an individual. Foodzy was founded in the spring of 2011 by Marjolaine Campos and John Voets. In the end, Foodzy is not about losing weight or keeping track of calories. By seeing what types of products you eat most, how much you drink, but also by connecting hardware devices like the Withings, Scale, and Fitbit. You are able to start monitoring your full health and well-being all in one, and ultimately change it for the better. Foodzy app can be private and or sharing, which means that you have an option to share or make private anything listed within the app. People normally don't like to disclose their weight, so it is their option to make private or share with others. Gamification for healthy eating. The app and website let users keep track of eating habits to reach a goal weight. Next slide is threats to existing healthcare organizations. The use of smartphone and tablet applications within healthcare is rapidly expanding and now appears socially and professionally acceptable. The Food and Drug Administration has recently published guidelines defining the group of apps to which it intends to apply its authority, but whether U.S. legislation should follow continues to be fiercely debated. Even though there will be an increase in revenue for healthcare organizations, the patient will be able to have healthier lives and save money too. People will lead better lifestyles so they can support themselves and their family members. Not to mention the insurance companies and the government will save money on providing patient care. Next slide, partnership with existing healthcare organizations. Partnering with healthcare organizations will advance public health to provide better health outcomes. The team will be able to enhance better services to patients so that they can reach their goals to have a healthier lifestyle. There will be positive diet changes for people so that they can take a preventive measure to not be diagnosed with critical diseases. In conclusion, I have discussed the Foodzy app, its operation, threats to existing healthcare organizations. The Foodzy app is an excellent way to keep track of journalizing the foods that you eat daily so that he or she can change their lifestyle for better health. Thank you.